Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Saturday the is it what is y'all? I be all jacked up with the dates. If you've been watching, you know. Anywho, if you are just clicking on this video, I'm your girl Shade Boo, and this is the Nunu channel. And thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing, thank you for all of that. Continue to do so. So I the other day I went out with my sisters and I had a good time, but as y'all saw in the last vlog, if you didn't see it, it's like a quick 2-minute vlog of me heading out with my sisters. I wore some Doc Martin boots. I'm gonna cancel out Doc Martin. Like, maybe it's just that style, but it's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. But it jacked my foot up. My foot is swollen. I have like this lump in the middle of my foot. The boot was very uncomfortable. Let me show y'all what boot I'm talking about real quick. Okay. This is the boot. So, yeah. But, so I put my foot to massage last night on my husband's foot massager. And my back was bothering me a little bit. I don't know what's happening. I'm 36. What is going on? But I decided to get up this morning, made me some breakfast, made me some corned beef hash, some eggs, got some toast. Yeah, I'm about to eat up. This is going to be a Saturday in the house. I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying off my feet. Hang out with you guys. Yeah, so I finished my breakfast. I'm about to watch this I get a series, The Crown of Diana Princess. I think that's what it's called, The Crown. My mother started watching it. She said it's good. It just drags in the beginning. But I wanted to talk to y'all about, normally when you start the new year, you have like, what do they call it? New Year's resolutions, which I stopped doing that a long time ago because then I put pressure on myself like, okay, I have to do this, by this time. So I just set like small little goals and weight loss. Oh God. I was doing so good last year with the weight loss thing and coming down and eating my veggies and my juices and all of that stuff, and now it's like one slip up, you taste sugar or you taste anything that royalty. Girl, you gotta relax. You jumping. Yeah, but you're jumping. I could feel the ground shaking. Anywho, it's like one slip up and it's a wrap. And I can feel it now. Like, I could feel, like I was saying before in a vlog that I did last year, when you're getting heavy, you could feel the weight. You could feel your breathing, out of breath, knee hurt, feet hurt. For me, I just feel heavy. And so now I'm like, okay, here we go again. But I thank God, another day to wake up and get it right. And I'm going to start over, back to only water, because I was doing strictly water. Now I'm like juice around the clock. Sugar around the clock. Like, I'm 36. I want to preserve my body. I want long longevity. Like, I don't want to be making foolish decisions when it comes to food, and I want to be smart about it again. And I've done it before, so I just got to get serious. It is about to pour down rain. They said it's like, look, we have no view in New York City. You have no view. A building. Another building. That's my view. Yeah, so I want to get back on track with that. Oh, I'm getting like creator's block again because it was like 2 days I didn't post, and then I posted my little vlog of me and my sisters going out for a little bit. But having a hard time with consistency and good content. And it's just a reality. My content is just a reality of my life and what I'm doing day to day and just what be going on in my life. And that's really about it. It's not nothing like extravagant, but this is me. This weekend I was getting a little creator's block. I think I'm going to go to Five Below, and I think I'm going to get what do you call those? Not a task chart, but like one of those charts where I can kind of jot down my ideas and, just get my stuff situated with my content and what I want to do and what I want to give you guys. And I be getting so frustrated sometimes. So that is that. And so I'm going to get ready to watch Crown Princess Diana on Netflix. I watched a really good movie last night called The Desperate Hour on Hulu. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. To me, it was good. I was crying at the end. And it's about a mother who child is trapped in a school with a armed shooter. And she's trying to get there. And she's like in the middle of nowhere on foot. So it was good though. To me, it was good. Other than that, ain't nothing going on but the rent. So yeah, I'm gonna just check back in with you guys later and try and enjoy this day of just relaxing, Netflixing, and chilling. Okay? Okay, y'all. So before I was supposed to have watched Crown, and I didn't watch nothing. The TV was watching me. I went to sleep for like 4 hours, and then I got up. Yeah, so that was like a waste of time. I really was relaxed and everything. I was ready to watch my show, but anywho, so I always talk about my 4 children, and one of them, y'all see Zion and Royalty all the time. Now there's Dontae and Kimara, but Kimara is not here right now. But my son Dontae is here, and y'all finally get to meet him. I'm saying? So yes, this is Dontae. He is 16 years old.
Enough with the 16.
She is just acting up. Don't mind my table. It looks crazy because of this one.
You dramatic.
Anywho, so yeah, so Dontae is here. And he's here till Monday, and we're gonna chill, relax. I don't know. I'm about to cook some food. And Royalty is definitely acting up as usual. You know, kids act up when it's like extra company. When like people come over, they do too much. Look at my other
son. Duh. Kiss me too.
No.
I love them, but they do get on my last nerve. My last nerve be like. Who?
Dontae.
I did show Dontae. Hear him. Dontae should be in the video. I did show Dontae.
Really when?
A few minutes ago.
Who wins?
I'll check it back in later. Greg had made some stew chicken, and I gotta say this real quick because my camera's like on 3%. I have to charge it. I don't know how to charge it. Royalty, please stop. But Greg had made some stew chicken yesterday with dumpling, and there was some sauce left back, like some gravy from the chicken. So I'm just gonna fry up some pieces of chicken, throw it in there, and yeah, that's what's gonna be for dinner with some rice. Dante is doing his homework. What kind of homework is that, Dante? Global? He is in 10th grade. Royalty is here on the blow-up bed. Sometimes we like to put the blow-up bed in the living room. We just chill, watch movies, hang out. She's there on the blow-up bed. I would show y'all, but she's doing the most, as usual. What Zion is doing. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, Zion is on his... What are you on, Zion? Oculus. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
So, you know, he's in a whole nother dimension. He's in his own world. So... No, leave Zion alone. Leave him alone, Rosie. Okay, but leave him alone. He's doing his own thing. No. This is what she does. No, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Let me go finish my food. Let me go finish cooking. So this is the chicken. I just fried up some pieces. It's like a chicken cut up. That's how they do it when you go buy your chicken in the market. You can get it whole, cut up, boneless, whatever. So I fried that. Here goes the sauce. To what my husband made the other night. I just poured it in this pan. I'm gonna put the chicken in there, and y'all gonna see. White rice going. Yeah, so here we have it's finally done. I can't wait to eat up. Yeah, so this is the end of the video because Royalty's about to go to sleep, take her nap. You taking a nap, poo-poo? Huh? My son is doing his homework. Zion is on the Oculus, so I'm gonna take some time and just be with myself by myself. And then afterwards, we're gonna eat some good food, and that's gonna be it. And wait for husband to come home because he's at work, but he gets off tonight. So yes, hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to the next video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and join the Nunu family. Later, y'all.